Hi, in front of me is VIVO V20 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Vivo. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Then you need to select shortcuts and accessibility, click on one-handed and tap on the switcher next to access menu screen using gesture. Then follow those instructions. I have to slide inward from the edge and then out. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is now on. If you want to change size of it, you have to click at the top right corner and adjust it however you want to. If you wish to go back, click at the top right corner. If you want to turn off one-handed mode completely, just click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!